Hey guys, who's ready to make some Halloween treats? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make these really cute ghost cake pops. Let's get started. We're gonna start off with this mold that I got from Amazon. I'll be dropping the link for this below. If you feel like working with this size and quantity of molds is difficult for you, feel free to cut them into strips. You can even take it a step further and cut the strips down into singles. Now that our molds are ready, let's go ahead and heat up our white candy coating. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, my go-to candy coating is almond bark. I heat it at 30-second intervals until it's smooth. We're then gonna lay out some parchment paper and we're gonna go ahead and start filling our molds. We're gonna go ahead and grab our cake pop filling, and also you're gonna need your cake pop sticks. Once you filled your mold with your candy coating, we're going to spoon it up the sides and then turn it upside down and pour out all the excess. With this mold, there were 3 different faces on the ghost, so we're going to go ahead and do the rest with all 3. Once you've gone ahead and filled up all 3 molds, we're going to go ahead and pop it in the fridge for a few minutes. Once the shell has been hardened like this, we're going to go ahead and add a second layer. I do this to ensure a stronger shell. Sometimes it can crack if you only have a single layer when you're putting your cake filling in, and another reason is so that you don't see the color of the cake coming through the cake pop. Once again, when all 3 are done, we're going to go ahead and pop it in the fridge once more, just for a few minutes to set. Now that it's set, we're going to go ahead and insert our cake dough. Once it's filled, we can go ahead and insert our cake pop stick down the middle. Once you find that the stick is centered, we can go ahead and cover the backing with their candy coating. Once you've done all 3, we can let it set again, and then we're going to go ahead and peel off the silicone mold. If the bottom of your ghost looks a little messy, feel free to take a knife or a toothpick and kind of just clean it up. Now we're going to go ahead and paint in the features with black. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can use your black edible marker, or sometimes I have black poppy paint on hand. I did not have it today, so I'm going to be using black chocolate instead and using a toothpick to dab into the features. And that's all there is to it. Look how cute they are. Feel free to drop any other Halloween items you'd like to see me make below. Thanks for watching.